Hello, today we will be going over percentiles of a number. We are going to do 9. Oh, that's an awful big 9 there. So lower that. 9% of 36. One of the ways to do this is 9% is the same thing as saying 0.09 of 36. So 36 times 0.09 will give us our answer. Nine times 6 is 54. Nine times 3 is 27, plus 5 is 32. Now, because it is only 9%, there is no need to multiply the second row. We just need to move the decimal point over 2. So 3.24 is our answer. 9% of 36 is also 9 over 100 times 36 over 1. Well, we know that 6 times 9 is 54. 9 times 3 is 27, plus 5 is 32 over 100. When we divide this, we get, well, first we're going to simplify it, which is 3 and 24 over 100. We can simplify it further, just 3 and 8. No, I'm sorry. That is, divide that by 24 by 6, I think. Yes. 6 over 25. Or 3.24.